Hey everyone! Is your Windows 11 running a bit slower than you'd like? Imagine if a few simple tweaks could make it feel lightning fast again. In today's video, we're diving into easy, powerful tips to speed up your system without any extra software. From clearing clutter to optimizing settings. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your PC with steps anyone can follow. Let's jump right in and give your Windows 11 the boost it deserves. Step 1. Uninstall unnecessary apps.
Start by removing any apps you don't need, as they take up valuable space and resources. Click on the Start button, and then go to Settings. In Settings, select Apps. In the App section, just click on the first installed apps option. Review the list, select any app you don't need, and hit 3 dots and then uninstall it. By removing unnecessary apps, you're freeing up space and making it easier for your PC to focus on what's really important.
Step 2. Manage startup programs.
Next, limit the number of apps that automatically launch when you turn on your computer. Too many startup programs can slow down your boot time. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Right-click Unnecessary Programs and choose Disable. Disabling non-essential startup apps allows Windows to boot up faster, so you don't have to wait around. As you can see, my last boost time was just 6.1 seconds.
Step 3. Clear cache and old Windows files.
Now, let's clear out some space by removing old files and cache. These files take up storage and can slow down your computer over time. Type Disk Cleanup in the search bar and open it. Now from here, you can choose the drive to clean, usually C. In my device, I have only C drive, so it's showing only C drive. Check boxes for old Windows updates. Select temporary internet files and scroll down to the last and select Recycle Bin and Temporary Files. Just these files are taking 2.14 gigabytes extra space on your computer. Regular cleanups prevent your computer from slowing down over time. Just click OK and these files will be clean.
Step 4. Adjust visual effects for better performance.
Windows 11 visual effects look nice, but may slow down performance. Here's how to adjust them for better performance. Open Settings from Start menu, or if you don't find it here, just type it above in the search bar. In the search bar, type Advanced System Settings, and after that, just click on View Advanced System Settings option. In the System Properties widget, make sure you are on the Advanced tab, and below there in the Performance section, click on the Settings button. Select Adjust for best performance, and you can also manually choose which effects to keep or just leave them for better performance. Reducing effects gives your computer more resources for essential tasks. So after setting up, just click on the Apply button.
Step 5. Turn off background apps.
Another simple trick is to turn off background apps that you don't use. Some apps run quietly in the background and use resources unnecessarily. Go to Setting from the Start menu. Now go to Apps, and then click on the Installed Apps option. Now, click on the 3 dots of each program that you don't want to run in the background, and then click on the Advanced options, and then slide down and set background app permissions to Never. This will reduce resource usage and improve your computer's efficiency. You can go through the list of programs and set them once for better performance.
Step 6. Use Storage Sense to automatically free up space.
Windows 11 Storage Sense feature can automatically clear old files by helping you maintain free space and better performance. So open Settings from the Start menu. Now go to System and scroll down and click on the Storage option. Now just click on Storage Sense and turn on Automatic User Content Cleanup. And you can configure its settings by choosing how often it runs and which files it removes. Storage Sense manages temporary files, so you don't have to worry about them piling up after setting this up.
Step 7. Perform a disk defragmentation.
If your PC uses a traditional hard drive, not SSD, defragmenting can help. Search for Defragment and Optimize drives in the search box on the taskbar, and run it by clicking right on it and selecting Run as Administrator. Select your drive, typically C, and click Optimize. Defragmenting organizes your files for quicker access, but note this may take some time. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a faster, smoother Windows 11 experience. Let me know in the comments which tip worked best for you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Don't miss out on the latest tech revelations. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and more. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you're always in the know. Welcome to Tech Specs, your guide to discovering the full potential of technology. Let's explore the future together.